Hey guys, what's up? Been a long time, right? Yeah, I know. So, little update on the Drift Evo. Worked on it a bit today. Had a little mishap with the other Evo and blew an engine. So, I was using that engine was my spare engine. I had to put it in the green Evo, and then like I didn't have an engine for this one. I was like, yes. Thank you. My drift car is gonna have a beer mug right there. So anyways, then I had to decide on what engine I wanted to put in my Drift Evo. And I decided to take something a little special, something that's never been done before. So, yeah. It's right now, it's only in holding by the jack and 2 tires underneath, so it's not even leveled. It's not leveled. I can't shift. I do need to back up the put the beer on the floor. I do need to back up the shifter a bit. It's too high. Handbrake. I'm gonna put the handbrake. Steering wheel down just a bit. So it feels pretty good. On my sparkle seat. It's not bolted in yet, but yeah. So does anybody want to know what engine I'm using? No? Yeah? Maybe? Yeah, my baby. Yeah. Just gonna show you guys the engine. And I know you guys are like, what? Really? You have a rotary engine? Right? This thing is gonna be gangsta. And my beer. So don't forget about the sunroof. Yeah, so basically. So I gotta cut the subframe still. I got a RX-7 steering rack. Wait, no, this is steering column, steering rack to steering column, and steering rack, which is missing the tie rod ends. To fit to my rotary engine, I got the whole wiring harness. I got pretty much a whole front lip for what an engine normally goes for, so that was a good deal. And the compression on the rotors are really good too. Zoom. There you go. So my girlfriend's laughing at me. So yeah, that is the rotary power Drift Evo project coming along. And the reason why I went with the rotary engine is because I'm gonna show you guys a little project, because I got rid of the Evo 3 and I got something else. Let's go check it out. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Boom! RX-7 baby. Boom! Alright, so as you guys can see, it's missing the molding here and the mirror. So I just got a whole door for 150 bucks when just the molding alone is 120 bucks. The motor doesn't work on the window. That's another like 70 something bucks. It's on 18 inches right now. This is crazy. I just saw this today because I checked it out with a friend. 275 to 3518. And 245, 4518. Brand new brakes, brand new pads, front and back. And I got this for cheap. Has a carbon fiber hood. Boom, no engine, right? So since I'm gonna have a rotary Drift Evo, I don't know if I'm gonna make this a rotary Drift RX-7. Probably will, because I've always wanted rotary drift cars. Anyways, the sparkle seat came from this. It has a corn roll Nardi steering wheel with quick release from NRG. Sweet. But this is the bad bops. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see it. Nah, I won't be able to see it. It has a CAS 2-way LSD wrapped in a Greddy cover. Yeah, we're gonna be drifting this thing too. Not for competition, just for fun. It's gonna be my summer summer ride, drift fun. So until next time, this is Sean and Gangsta.